time to play. Yo.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We want to laugh, we want to play, but puddles keep us stuck all day. Put on boots and grab a hat. Let's go talk to clouds. Imagine that! Pitter-patter on the glass, raindrops racing down so fast. We peek outside with hopeful eyes under the ever-drizzling skies. We built a castle made of chairs, but we missed the swings and outdoor airs. Rain, rain, go away. Let the sunshine light our way. We want slides and fields to run, hide and seek and chase some fun. Rain, rain, not today. Please come back another day. We made a boat from old shoebox, sent it sailing past the socks. A rubber duck gave us a cheer, floating proudly with pirate gear. Though we're inside and skies are gray, our imaginations dance and play. The thunder rumbles like a drum. We count the beats. Here it comes. Flash a light across the sky, but we're brave with Coco nearby. With every drop a story grows of rainbow slides and garden shows. Rain, rain, go away. We'll wait it out and still hooray. Build a fort and start a race. Paint bright stars on window space. Rain, rain, take a break. Let us jump in streams and play. Suddenly the clouds roll back, sun peeks out with golden track. We zip our coats and dash outside, mud and giggles far and wide. Puddles splash and joy explodes as we hop down soggy roads. Sometimes rain is here to stay, but even then we find our way. With friends and games and silly songs, even stormy days belong. It's okay to feel a little blue. The sun returns, it always does too. We jump so high our boots go splat, then chase a rainbow, imagine that. The sky now holds a golden glow, and flowers bloom where raindrops go. We thank the rain with claps and cheer. Come again next week, not here. Rain, rain, you helped today. Watered seeds in your own way. Now it's time for skies so clear, so kids can play and laugh and cheer. Rain, rain, we're glad you came, but sunny skies win every rain, rain. Come back slow, next time we'll wear our coats and go. But for now we'll leap and run underneath the setting sun. Thanks for puddles, splash and play. We'll see you on another day. Come along, come sing with me. Let's march through the ABC. Letters dancing full of cheer, spelling magic far and near. A to E. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bed, where we lay our head. C is for cat with a curious meow. D is for duck, who says quack now. E is for elephant, big and strong. They all join in the letter song. A, B, C, come sing along. Each little letter makes a song. From A to Z, we play and say, learning sounds in a fun-filled way. Letters march in a happy parade, making words and dreams we made. F is for frog, who jumps so high. G is for giraffe, stretching to the sky. H is for hat that flies in the breeze. I is for igloo that starts to freeze. J is for jelly that jiggly shakes. So many sounds each letter makes. K is for kite that soars with grace. L is for lion with a golden face. M is for moon that glows so bright. N is
for nest tucked in at night. O is for octopus under the sea, waving its arms so playfully. A, B, C, it's letter play. They dance and wiggle every day. From A to Z, we laugh and rhyme, building words one step at a time. Letters twirl in a cheerful line, each one special, yours and mine. P is for penguin sliding fast. Q is for queen waving as she passed. R is for rainbow with color so wide. S is for sun that lights our ride. T is for train with a chug and a cheer, rolling through the alphabet gear. Sometimes we stumble, don't get it right, but every letter is full of light. Try again, don't be afraid. Learning is a grand parade. Hold my hand and we'll explore. With each new letter there's so much more. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that softly plays. W is for whale with a mighty song. X marks the spot where treasures belong. Y is for yo-yo spinning with glee. Z is for zebra, wild and free. A, B, C, we've reached the end, but every letter's a learning friend. From A to Z, we've danced and sung, spelled out joy since we've begun. Clap your hands, shout hooray, we love our alphabet every day. Common one. So now you know your ABC, they'll help you read and write with glee. Letters make the world so wide, with every word there by your side. Close your book or take a nap, tomorrow we'll give Z a clap.